What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode of A La Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And today, we're definitely going to be doing a quick one. It's great for breakfast, or I don't know, you could just have this as a midnight snack if you really like it. But today, we're going to be making overnight oats with a little twist. So, let's get cooking. Okay, so like I said, this one's going to be an easy one. You're going to need a mason jar or some sort of a Tupperware safe container to put your oats in. And you're going to start off with some nice oats. I like some good organic oats. You just go ahead and pour those in there. Depending on how much you want to make, preparation is so easy. You just take your oats, you add them to your container. You can fill it up, and that way you can meal prep every single day, and it's a little bit easier. Then you're going to go ahead and take just a little pinch or so to taste of loose leaf tea. I like loose leaf tea. If you don't have it, you can just skip this. I just find it adds a really nice little depth of flavor to your oats, and it's a great way to get some tea in there. And then you're going to need some kombucha. Take your favorite one. I like a good matcha berry, and then you just go ahead, open that up, and pour it into your container. Now, if you have a full-size mason jar like this one, you can just fill it up with oats and then use an entire bottle, or you can portion it out until the bubbles kind of fill up the top, or you could just do it to your taste. The more kombucha you add, the more flavor, but also the more moisture oats are going to be. So you go ahead, you take that, you seal it up, and then you toss it in your fridge overnight. Preferably a full 24 hours is great, or if you do this at nighttime, you have 8 to 12 hours, that's perfect. 30 minutes is fine. You just want it to absorb into these oats. For once I actually thought ahead and went and prepped my oats ahead of time. And this is how easy this is for the morning. So you just go ahead, you grab your overnight oats out of your fridge. Go ahead and grab a spoon, give them a nice little stir, make sure you get everything all mixed up in there. And then you just portion out. So you can either dump it straight into the bowl, you can give it a couple of scoops, however much you want to eat in the morning. So there we go. It's gorgeous. And I actually got this idea from Bondi Harvest. I was watching it and I was like, I love kombucha. I've been trying to eat more oatmeal in the morning or have more of a breakfast, so I figured this would be a great way to do that. And I kind of put a little bit of my own twist on it, which is great for this. You can use your own kombucha if you want. You can try different flavors. If you like apple, you can use apple. If you like a certain kind of berry, that's perfect for this. That's what's great about it. So you have your overnight oats here, and then you can mix in your own kind of fruit. I'm going to actually take a little bit of yogurt. This is a strawberry banana yogurt. We're getting all kinds of fruit. Go ahead and just plop that right here on top. Then we're going to take some cut up apple and just lightly place that here on top. Give a nice little crunch to this dish. There we go. Nice. And then to finish it off, add a little bit of sweetness to this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take some nice honey and I'm going to drizzle that right over the top of this. And there you go. And there you go. That's all you need for your overnight oats, your kombucha overnight oats. It's so quick, so fast, it's so tasty, and this is great for your gut. You're gonna love having the kombucha with it. If you love kombucha already, or you wanna try something a little bit different, or you've been finding your overnight oats are a little bland, this is a great way to go. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna enjoy. That's all the time I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know some of your favorite flavor combinations for overnight oats, or some of your recipes for overnight oats. I would love to know about them. But yeah, make sure that you subscribe so you're never missing out on a video. Hit that like button so that way I know that you like this video. And as always, I'm going to take this and I'm going to enjoy. So make sure that you guys are staying full and staying healthy. Bye, guys.